beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I'm super excited today. I got my FabFitFun fall box here, so I'm super excited to see what's inside. This is not a sponsored video. I do purchase all my FabFitFun boxes with my own money, so this is a totally honest, unsponsored FabFitFun fall spoiler alert 2020. So first things first, I did get my FabFitFun magazine, so that's great. I can't wait to read that. And then usually the FabFitFun boxes do come with a lot of great coupons. So inside right here there is a $45 credit for Bright Sellers wine, so they match you up to different wines that are good that you might be interested in. There is a 10 free meals with purchase, oh my god, for HelloFresh. That's really amazing. So they give you a code and then you're going to get 10 free meals with your purchase of, I guess, when you join HelloFresh. So are you guys on HelloFresh? I know a lot of people love HelloFresh. And then here is a card so you guys can get $15 off your FabFitFun if you join up for FabFitFun. So I'll have the link below, but they did give me a promo code here. Well, they do give you a code here to share with your friends, so I'll go ahead and link this code below. This code is only good until the 31st, so take advantage of it while you can. It's actually, I'll let you guys know what it is and then I'll also link it below, but it's all lowercase letters HS-KYJV9, so you just enter that in. This is only for first time FabFitFun box subscribers, but you're going to get $15 off of your first FabFitFun box. That's pretty amazing. So, oh my gosh, guys, this box looks good. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, this box looks good. So let me reach in just for the first thing. But there's some big stuff in here. I'm not sure what this is. Oh my gosh, guys, they sent blue light blocking eyewear. Can I tell you, this blue light blocking it's so important. I was doing, a lot of you guys know I do social media, not just for myself, but I do it for other companies. And so I'm online constantly. I'm constantly on my phone. I was feeling a lot of eye strain. I was getting migraine headaches. And then I was reading about it, and the blue light is really, really harsh on your eyes. So I actually did start wearing blue light blocking glasses. Wow. So these are really nice. And actually they do have a lot of kind of like a blue to them, where other ones that I purchased online weren't as blue, so I'm pretty sure these are going to be like very powerful. So this is definitely much needed. I had actually purchased a few pairs because they're pretty inexpensive, and so I like to have them just different places, so I always have them when I need them. So these are a godsend. So I'm definitely, and guys, if you're also experiencing like migraines and things like that, even blurry vision, you think like maybe your eyes are going, but it's actually the blue light. So if you're experiencing that same feeling as well, definitely try blue light blocking glasses. They're pretty inexpensive. I believe you can get them for even $9.99. You know, different places they have them. Well, it's so hard to find them sometimes because I did go to Target to buy a pair. It was very hard to find them. Eventually I found them, but it was very hard to find them in the store. But anyhow, if you can get them online, you'll just feel so much difference if you're online a lot, if you're like addicted to Instagram, TikTok, this, that, and the other, YouTube. Blue light blocking glasses are truly a godsend. So let me keep it going, guys. So, oh my gosh, here they sent Glow Milk. So this is from the Beauty Crop, and this is a nourishing glow milk with coconut and argan oil. So this thing is really nice. It says it's liquid radiance. So this is actually a liquid highlighter. So this is, I don't believe this is skincare. This is a highlighter, a liquid highlighter. So I'm just gonna try this out with you guys because that's what we're here for, right? But here, I'm gonna try that first product. This is the liquid illuminator because I need my makeup fix. So it's a gold shade. So then they sent here this mason jar. So I'm just gonna open it up, guys. Let's see. Oh, it's, first of all, it's blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Blue and pink, of course. But oh my god, guys, this is beautiful. Wow, I wasn't expecting that because when I saw mason, I just automatically thought, oh, it's called mason tops. But my mind automatically went to a mason jar, which I love, but you know, they're not really that like cute. But this is like, oh my god, so cute. And it has, oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh, it tells you all of, so you can also use it for measuring. And then it tells you how many cups you're getting, or if you're watching, you know, how much liquid or juice you might want. That's really amazing. And then it has a really super soft sleeve to help keep your drink cold, I guess. So this is really nice. It is made out of glass, and then it has this really nice top, so you can actually use this as a shaker cup too. A lot of times I put I'll put juice or almond milk or something, and then some of my favorite powders, you know, like a kale powder I've been loving lately, and I'll just shake it up right in here and it just comes out amazing in some kind of shaker cup. So that's really great. And then here is like a sweat proof sleeve, I guess. So that's actually an insulator that's gonna help it to stay nice and cool, and also feels really nice in your hand because the material is super soft. So it's like that neoprene kind of material, and it feels super soft, so I really love that. And then let's keep it moving, guys. So here is something. I have no idea what. There's always like there's so many things like you never know what you're gonna get in your Fun box, right? But here is, let's see here. Oh, cutlery. I guess this is cutlery on the go. That's so strange, guys. I mean, this is like very random. This looks like, is this for a baby? Maybe this is for a baby. Because, well, I guess you could use it yourself, like at work and things like that. So here is something called, oh, okay, now they got me. Now they got me because I'm addicted to sleep mist. OMG, guys, sleep mist is my #1 jam. Oh my god, I'm so addicted to pillow mist that you spray on your pillow. Everything that I spray on the ones that I've used so far, they just put me into the deepest sleep. And like you might have heard me say, even if I wake up in the night, I'll give myself another spray. Again, knocked out like in 10 minutes into another deep sleep. Sleep spray is everything. So this is one from Hythe. I'll give it a try, guys. I hope it works. But anyway, let's keep it moving. So here, look at this, guys. Crease release. Removes wrinkles from your clothes. And then let's see what this is, guys. Some kind of outfit. Was it a robe? Beyond Yoga. Hopefully scarf. Okay, guys, now finally, oh, here's something that looks good. Here's something, you guys. What is it? It's called Foxy Bay Curling Wand. So that's very nice. I do have a curling wand, yet this looks very nice if you don't have a curling wand. It is pink, so that's great. So, but guys, that's it. That's everything that came in the FabFitFun fall box. In my subscription box that I don't even know that I'm subscribed to. I swear to God, guys, I'm checking tonight. This cup is very nice, but I have a huge cup coming. Wait till you see, and it stays super cold. But this is very pretty. I love the Tiffany kind of color. Reminds me like Tiffany blue. I don't know, guys, but I figured I'd unbox it with you guys and see what this is all about. But just for, you know, come hang out, have fun. But anyway, guys, let me know if you guys are on FabFitFun still. I know a lot of you had a lot of opinions last time on my video, so let me know down below what your guys' experience is with your FabFitFun box for fall 2020. What is going on with you? I remember my first couple boxes. I love them. So let me know what you guys think, though. And guys, before I run today, I just wanted to have a quick pop-up giveaway because you guys know how addicted I am to having a little pop-up giveaway for you guys. So I want to give away today one of my mystery boxes. So you're going to, the winner of today's giveaway is going to receive an Alegra Chetti mystery box. So there's going to be all kinds of goodies inside, and it is going to be valued at over $100. So there's going to be all kinds of great makeup. Let me specify after today's, you know, what you've seen today. I'm definitely sending makeup and beauty, bougie, high quality items. So just be a subscriber if you want to enter into my mystery box giveaway, and also comment below that you love mystery boxes or something like that you want to take part in the mystery box giveaway, and then I will have you entered into that mystery box giveaway. So guys, I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It helps me out so much. Please share it. That helps so much as well. Definitely, the more you share, the more that you comment, and the more that you stay active, the more extra entries you get for all of my giveaways, because like I said, I'm going to have my huge monthly makeup giveaway link below, and you don't want to miss out on that. Plus, I have so many giveaways. I always have pop-up giveaways going on, so I'd love to share and get back to you guys. So that's just my way of showing you how much I appreciate you and keeping it fun and spicy up in here. Because that's what I'm all about, guys. I like to have a good time. So you guys, if you like to have a good time, then this is the place for you. So anyway guys, I love you so much. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I'll see you beauties very soon. Bye.